Hi, I'm Holly, and today we're going to do some mindfulness and movement for when you're feeling really groggy. So I know this week I've been having a really hard time wearing off, like it's been dreary, my allergies have been acting up, so it's been hard for me to get motivated and to focus. So we're going to do a little bit of a mindfulness practice and some movement to help you feel a little bit more refreshed and focused for the rest of your day. So we're going to begin seated and then we'll move to standing. So just set up a little space wherever you are and we'll get started. So find your way to a comfortable seat. Feel your sits bones on the mat, your spine lengthen. Inhale, bring your shoulders to your ears. And exhale, drop them down your back. Inhale, fill your belly with air. And exhale, let it go. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pause. Take 2 more breaths like this. Good. Inhale, bring your shoulders to your ears, and exhale, drop them down your back. Inhale, fill your belly with air, and exhale, let it go. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart. Inhale, your arms rise. Exhale, hands to your knees. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your gaze. Exhale, arch your spine, gaze towards your navel, opening up the chest, the shoulders. Inhale, belly drops, gaze lifts. Exhale, spine arches. Inhale to center, bring your shoulders to your ears, and exhale, drop them down the back. Inhale, reach your arms overhead and ground your hands in front of you. Find your way to a tabletop position wherever you are. So bring your hands under your shoulders, your knees under your hips. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your gaze. Exhale, point your toes, arch your spine. Inhale, send your sits bones back to the left, to the center, to the right. Come back up and around. Take 2 more circles in this direction. And then reverse it. Take 3 circles the other way. I think this feels great on the hips. It's a good way to get into the wrists a little bit, get a little motion there as well. Good. Meet at neutral when you're ready. Inhale, fill your belly with air, and exhale, let it go. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your gaze, curl your toes under, straighten your legs as you come to a downward facing dog. So you can pedal out your feet or find stillness. Take 5 breaths here. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Let it go. Inhale, gaze between your hands, and exhale, walk your feet to meet your gaze. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and exhale, fold forward. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, bring your hands to clasp behind your back, your shoulder blades together, drop the head. Inhale here. Exhale, fold forward, the arms rise behind the back. Inhale. Exhale, drop the head, relax the neck. Inhale. Exhale, release the hands, bend the knees, send your sits bones back. Coming to Utkatasana, awkward pose. Inhale here. Exhale, integrate the shoulders behind the back. Inhale. Exhale, straighten the legs, fold forward. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and exhale, fold. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, Tadasana, mountain pose. Inhale, bring your shoulders to your ears, and exhale, drop them down your back. Inhale, fill your belly with air, and exhale, let it go. Focus on where your feet meet the mat. Feel your thighs rotating inwards. Inhale, bring your shoulders to your ears, and exhale, drop them down the back. Inhale, reach the arms overhead. Grab the right wrist with the left fingers, reach up high, and then exhale, lean to the left. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, bring it back to center. Exhale, grab the left wrist with the right fingers, reach up high. Exhale, lean right. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, good. Inhale to center. Exhale, drop the arms alongside the body. Inhale, shoulders to the ears, and exhale, drop them down the back. Inhale, reach the left hand down the left side of the body. Exhale. Inhale to center. Exhale, reach the right hand down the right side of the body. Exhale to center. Inhale, bring your shoulders to your ears, and exhale, drop them down the back. Good. Inhale, come onto your toes, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, lower your heels, fold forward. Inhale, lift and lengthen your spine. Exhale, ground your palms, step back, plank position. Inhale here. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, one more breath here. You can do it. Inhale. Exhale, bring your knees to the mat. Scrape your forearms along your rib cage as you bring your chin and your chest to the mat. And then straighten your legs, flatten your belly. You can gently shake your hips from side to side. Now bring your fingertips mat's distance apart. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, drop the right shoulder, gaze over the left. Inhale to center. Exhale, drop the left shoulder, gaze over the right. Inhale to center. Exhale to downward facing dog. Inhale here, and exhale, let it go. Inhale, come onto your toes, and exhale, lower your heels. Inhale, fill your belly with air, and exhale, let it go. Inhale, kick your right leg up. Exhale, bend your right knee, open the hips, take 3 circles clockwise, and 3 circles counterclockwise. Straighten your right leg as you inhale, bring your knee towards your nose, step the right foot between the hands, lower onto the left knee. Inhale, reach your arms in front of you. Exhale, integrate the shoulders behind the back. Inhale here. Exhale, reach the right hand back. Inhale, center. Exhale, reach and twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, reach and twist. Good. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, frame the right leg. Straighten that back leg. You can step it straight back to a down dog or take a vinyasa, which is just that push-up. Inhale, fill the belly with air, and exhale, let it go. Inhale, and exhale. Good. Inhale, kick the left leg up, bend the knee, open the hips, 3 circles clockwise, and 3 circles counterclockwise. Straighten the left leg. Inhale, bring your left knee towards your nose. Step it between your hands. Lower down onto your right knee. Good. Feel the thighs rotate inwards. Inhale, reach your arms out in front of you. Exhale, integrate your shoulders behind the back. Inhale, left arm reaches back. Exhale, center. Inhale, reach left. Exhale, center. One more. Inhale, reach. Exhale, center. Good. Inhale, the arms rise. Exhale, frame the front leg and bring the left knee to meet the right so you're in a tabletop again. Inhale, drop the belly, lift the gaze. Exhale, send the sits bones back. Child's pose. Maybe fix your hair if yours came undone like mine did. Take 5 deep breaths here. Good, then walk your hands in towards your knees, lift your torso up. Inhale, bring your shoulders to your ears, and exhale, drop them down the back. Inhale, fill your belly with air, and exhale, let it go. You can walk your hands to the side and straighten your legs out in front of you. And then you can shake them out like thunder thighs a little, maybe karate chop them. Pull the flesh out from under your sits bones. Bring your hands to either side of the seat. The feet are engaged, the thighs are engaged, strong like you're in Tadasana, mountain pose. Inhale your shoulders to your ears. And exhale, drop them down your back. Inhale here. And exhale, fold forward. Inhale, the spine lengthens. Exhale, fold. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Gently massage your legs as you walk your hands up. Now bend your knees, bring your hands to your kneecaps. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your gaze. Exhale, arch your spine. Inhale, reach your arms out in front of you, integrate your shoulders behind your back. And slowly, with control, one vertebrae at a time, lower onto your back. You can gently windshield wiper your knees from side to side. Maybe pull the knees into the chest, move them around a little. Good, and then bring your feet to the floor. Take any final movements that you'd like as you settle into stillness for your final resting pose. So if your low back is uncomfortable, I recommend keeping the knees bent. You can heel toe the feet to the side to get into the outer hip a little, which is what I'm gonna do. Or you can straighten the legs. And simply allow yourself to soak in the benefits of your practice today and observe the rhythm of your breath. Slowly begin to deepen your breath. Maybe wiggle the fingers and the toes. Find your way to a fetal position and thank the earth for the support beneath you. And gradually find your way to a comfortable seat with your eyes closed and the palms resting upwards on the knees. Inhale, fill your belly with air. And exhale, let it go. Now scan your body from the tip of your head to the tips of your toes. Notice if you feel any different from when you began. Bring your hands to heart center, taking this moment to feel really grateful and proud of yourself for taking time to care for your body and mind today. Thank you so much for connecting with me and yourself today. I hope you are able to carry this practice with you as you step off of the mat and into your life. My name's Holly, and I look forward to practicing with you again soon.